Are you stuck with the frustrating Microsoft Teams installation has failed error on Windows 11, 10, 8, or even 7? Don't worry, in this video I'll guide you step by step. Let's dive straight in. First, we'll restart the Windows Installer service. This is the background service that handles app installations, and if it's stuck, Teams will fail every single time. Search Services in Start menu and open it. In the Services list, scroll down and find Windows Installer. Right-click, go to Properties. Choose Start. Now go back and restart your computer again. Next, if you've had Teams installed before, leftover files might be corrupt and blocking the new setup. Let's clean them up. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%, and hit Enter. A File Explorer window will open. Locate the Teams folders and delete it, and go back to App Data. Open Roaming folder. Find Microsoft Teams folder and delete it. Once both are cleaned, restart your computer and try download the latest Teams installer and run it again. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more advanced troubleshooting guides.